And good evening, everybody. This is Michael Filighera. I am with logicalsignals.com and tradershelpingtraders.com. And this is the Elliott wave update for the S&P 500 for Thursday, August 19th, 2021. The S&P did reach into support, which completed the first 5 waves down. And that was during the Globex session, and it came in at 4347.75. Very clean, very nice. And let me just count that out for you. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now, if I'm going to label this wave 1 or wave A, more likely wave 1 of this new corrective phase that we likely began off of Monday's highs, then we're in a wave 2 bounce. Now, I've added the Fibonacci retracements for a wave 2 bounce, and we can see that today we reached the 50% retracement level. We really can even go up to 44.27 to 44.40. They can get all the way up there, which will put it within $26 of the all-time high. Now, can it do that? Yes. Can it turn around and go back down? Yes. Ultimately, what we're looking for in a wave 2 is an ABC correction, an ABC structure. It came close. So really, to kind of put this in place and leave it in place, the S&P needs to kind of turn on its heels and start heading back lower again. So that would give us confirmation. If it goes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, then it maybe is just wave A of 2. And then we get a B wave decline and then a C wave rally, which could bring us back up to here, could take us even a little bit higher. So we'll have to wait and see. So that's the ticket for tomorrow. If we come back up and we go above 44.12, maybe to 20, maybe up to the 200-day moving average, which sits at 44.26 right now, and then the market turns and breaks back lower and it does it in a 3-wave pattern, then indeed what's happening is that we're having a B, C for a wave 2. Does not change anything that was given before. The alternate view that I have for the S&P would not kick in unless this broke truly above 2 new highs. That's what it would have to do to force a revision of this entire count. This still is very clean, counting all the details, and it works quite cleanly. So I'm going to leave that in place for right now, and we're going to let the market tell us. So what we have for tomorrow, we have a higher, if it indeed is, the market has moved higher, and it can do it in Globex as well, get up there, finish, and then start to turn lower, then we will have 5 waves up off of the Globex lows from last night. And then we'd be looking for 3 waves down. It is from that level that it'll be important that we follow the structure on the way back up, because we would, if it completes 5 waves up, let me say that that never is an entire correction. If it stays right where it is without exceeding that high from today, then it would be left as 3 waves, and therefore it could drop right from here. Now that is the alternate. If we move up, we'd be looking for an ABC, because this would be 5 up. If it starts lower right from the get-go from here, and it goes down and it breaks below 43.75, I'm going to say, then more than likely this will be left as a 3, and we would be expecting it to break 43.47 and start in a 3rd wave down. This is wave 1, and this is going to be wave 2. Then this thing needs to start and accelerate and go down. So here we have both scenarios. We have an upside scenario, which still leaves the highs in place, and we have a downside scenario, which of course would just be a continuation of what we've already done. And we're moving into wave 3. So we have 1, 2, and then a 3. We're going to get an ABC 2, then the 3, or we'll get the 3 now. And the difference would be, if we're getting it now, the market turns and just accelerates lower, because it's a 3rd wave. Can't waver, can't hang out, can't just fiddle around. It needs to go. And this is where I'm going to leave it. So for right now, the tops remain in place. I have left the cycle wave off because it's too big. And like, the chart doesn't fit it right now. It will in the future, but it doesn't right now. In any case, the tops remain in place, and we're looking for the correction to continue. The next up, it will be on Sunday.